England is a name that conjures images of rolling green hills, ancient towers, and whispered tales of kings and queens. But within this compact isle lies a history more vibrant and intricate than even the most elaborate tapestry. England's history begins millennia ago, when Celtic tribes roamed the wild forests and carved their stories into the earth. Then came the Romans, marching in with their disciplined legions and leaving behind their indelible mark on language, law, and architecture. Their grand villas and paved roads paved the way for a new era. As the Roman grip loosened, Anglo-Saxons swept across the island, bringing their own language, customs, and epic sagas of heroes like Beowulf. Saxon warriors carved kingdoms, their names echoing through time. Wessex, Mercia, Northumbria, setting the stage for the grand drama of unification. From the mist of legend emerges King Alfred, a figure as wise as he was fierce. He battled Viking invaders, championed learning, and laid the foundation for a united England. His grandson, Athelstan, finally achieved what Alfred dreamed of, forging a kingdom stretching from the Scottish border to the English Channel. However, the Viking raids gave way to the Norman conquest in 1066, forever altering the face of England. William the Conqueror brought a new aristocracy, a new language, French, the ancestor of modern English, and a formidable system of castles to control his unruly new domain. The centuries that followed witnessed England's dynamic transformations. Richard the Lionheart embarked on renowned crusades, while Queen Elizabeth ushered in an era of cultural and political flourishing. Furthermore, England also nurtured ideas that would change the world. Magna Carta, a landmark document limiting the king's power, established the principle of the rule of law. The scientific revolution saw minds like Isaac Newton and William Harvey shed new light on the universe and the human body. The Industrial Revolution transformed England into the workshop of the world, forever etching its mark on the global landscape. England's narrative extends far beyond the halls of power and battlefields. It's a chorus sung by countless voices, each resonating with the nation's spirit. From the farmers who nurtured the land to the builders who raised cities and the singers who spun tales of joy and sorrow, their contributions weave a rich tapestry of resilience and creative fire. Poets penned verses that echo through time. Artists captured the essence of the land and its people, and inventors forged innovations that shaped England and the world. This shared tapestry celebrates the ordinary heroes who wrote their chapters in the nation's vibrant story with sweat, skill, imagination, and spirit. Today, England is a testament to its rich and sometimes turbulent past. Its castles whisper tales of ancient battles, and its cities hum with a modern nation's energy, forever evolving and enriching the world with their unique story. Are you feeling intellectually stimulated? Give this video a like, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more. Expand your horizons. The next video unlocks a hidden world you never knew existed.